Assalamualaikum my dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEPS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Medium School, Bondiship. Today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 5. So my dear student, let us start our class. Dear student, today is our lecture number 45 of half yearly, and there is a good news for you, there is no SW today. Okay my dear student, and today's topic name is chapter 10. From chapter 10 we shall solve 3 CBQ problem, which are 4, 5 and 6 as your CW. I repeat, there is no SW today, but you must learn this very carefully, because from our from lecture 44 and 45, 12 marks is come in your annual exam, sorry, half yearly exam. So you learn this very carefully. Okay. So my dear student, our 4 number question, define square. B number, write down the characteristics of a square. So what is the definition of a square? A number, a quadrilateral in which every side is equal, that means in this case all sides will be equal in length and every angle is a right angle, is called a square. It's just like the definition of rectangle, but in rectangle opposite sides are equal only, but in this case all in rectangle opposite sides are equal, but in square all sides are equal. So a quadrilateral in which every side is equal and every angle is a right angle is called a square. Now we draw square. So first of all we take a measurement, which is 6 inch. So I take 6 inch as base of square. Okay. Then as all angles are right angle, then we draw a 90-degree angle. Okay. As all the sides are same, so it must be 6 inch. Okay. Now it will be 6 inch. It will be 6. Okay. A, B, C, D. This is the name of a square, and in the bottom of the square we write in the above figure A, B, C, D is a square. In the above figure A, B, C, D is a square. Now we write the characteristics, write down the characteristics of a square. So from this figure we notice every angle is right angle. Notice this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, all are 90 degree, that means right angle. Every angle is a right angle. B number question, all the sides are equal in length, that means all the sides will be equal in length. It has 2 diagonals of equal length, that means it has 2 diagonal. AC is a diagonal and BD is another diagonal, and both diagonal are equal. The diagonal of a square bisect each other, that means AC and BD diagonal both are diagonal bisect at a point. I hope you have understood. Next we shall solve question number 5. Define rhombus. B number, write down the characteristics of rhombus. So first of all we define the define rhombus. If all the sides of a quadrilateral are equal in length, then it is called a rhombus. But in this case the angle may be 90 degree or it less than 90 degree. Okay. So we draw. All the side will be same, that means we take 6 centimeter. Okay. Then this time we take an acute angle. Okay, 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Now we add, this is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so name of this rhombus is A, B, C, D, and here we write in the above figure A, B, C, D is a RHOMBUS rhombus. So dear student, please notice in the above figure ABCD is a rhombus. Now we write the characteristics of rhombus. Notice all sides are equal in length, that means this side, this side, this side, this side, all are equal in length, which is 6 centimeter, 6 inch. Now the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other, that means this diagonal BD and this diagonal AC bisect at a point. C, opposite angles are equal, that means B angle and D angle are equal, on the other hand A angle and C angle are equal. D number adjacent angles of a rhombus are supplementary, that means if B and C, if we add B and C, then we get 180 degree must, and they are called supplementary angle with each other. Okay, so 5 number question done. Next we shall solve question number 6. It is define trapezium. B number question, write down the characteristics of trapezium. It is one kind of quadrilateral. So notice a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. Dear student, we have already learned rectangle, parallelogram, square, rhombus. Okay, in those figure a quadrilateral having two pair of parallel side, but in this case only one pair of parallel side and other side is not parallel, other sides are not parallel. So now we draw, please notice this is one side and this is another side and they are parallel with this other. Now we joined this one and also this one, and name of this figure is A, B, C, D. Dear student, notice this AD and BC are parallel, on the other hand AB and CD are not parallel. So we can say in this quadrilateral one set of parallel sides. Okay, a quadrilateral having one pair of parallel sides is called a trapezium. So one pair. I hope you have understood. Now we write the characteristics of this trapezium. It has only one pair of parallel sides. We have already find it from definition. Okay, B number, parallelogram is a trapezium. Parallelogram is a trapezium. C number, sum of four angles makes 360 degree. It is the characteristics of quadrilateral. That means if we add angle A, B, C and D, then we get 360 degree. Okay. So my dear student, you must memorize all the definition and you must memorize all the characteristics. Okay. So it is very important for your half yearly, and my dear student, you must learn this very carefully. So my dear student, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.